Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix dispatch, game crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam option, then click on exit. After that click on power, then select restart, then select power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Now after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that go to Steam. Now under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it's launching or not. If not, remove this and move to the next solution. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics card to the latest version. After that try to launch the game. NVIDIA and AMD users go through the link that I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game from the installation folder. For that go to Steam. Under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. You have to select the game application. Now after selecting a game application, double click on it and check if the game is in launching or not. If not, then run this program as administrator. So right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If it doesn't resolve, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, deselect all of them and after that move to the next solution. Next method is to allow dispatch through firewall. For that go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and here you have to search for the game. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse, then go to the game installation folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application. After that select the game from here and then make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK and after that launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. For that Steam users click on Steam users. Now click on settings, then click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is disabled, well and good. If not, click on it to disable it and then launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next method is to run SFC scan. So for that go to the Windows search for command prompt. Now open it and here you have to paste this command. This will scan for any corrupted system files and replace them automatically. So you just have to paste this command and press enter and after that whatever the corrupted files will be available, it will be replaced and hopefully the game will launch now. If not, next method is to check graphic settings. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. You have to enable VSync or frame rate cap if required and also lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner, then you should disable them. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that copy the link that I have already provided in the description or you can search for Visual C++ files on your browser. The website opens, here you have to go below and click on the link. Now after it gets downloaded, you have to click on it to open. You will get repair or install options, so click on repair option and wait for some time. Now you will get a setup successful message. Close it, and after that restart your PC and then launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, next method is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, then click on advanced, then click on change. Now you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom size. Here you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Now launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, next method is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection, then go below, click on manage settings. Now here you have to turn off real-time protection. After turning off real-time protection, go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings, and then click on OK and check if the problem is resolved. If not, again come back, enable turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings and click on OK, and then follow the next method. Next is to install DirectX. So for that, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option, and this will download the DirectX on your system. After that, install it. After installing, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics setting. Add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game installation folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the Windows, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall dispatch game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch Steam and reinstall dispatch game once again and click on the play button to check if it's launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix dispatch game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.